Want Fireflies AI to automatically join your Google Meet calls and generate transcripts and meeting notes? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through connecting Google Meet to Fireflies AI step by step. So yeah, by the end of this video, everything will be ready to go. First, open Fireflies AI and sign into your account. If you don't have one yet, creating a free account only takes a minute. You can sign in using your Google account, Microsoft account, or your email address. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. Next, open the Settings menu and go to Calendar and Conferencing. Select Google Calendar, then sign in with the Google account you use for Google Meet. Review the requested permissions and approve the connection. This allows Fireflies to detect your scheduled Google Meet meetings automatically. Once your calendar is connected, review your meeting preferences. You can enable automatic meeting joining, so Fireflies attends supported Google Meet sessions as your AI meeting assistant. This means you won't have to invite it manually every time. When your Google Meet session begins, Fireflies will join automatically if the feature is enabled. After the meeting ends, the recording will be processed, and you'll receive a transcript, an AI-generated summary, action items, speaker labels, and searchable meeting notes inside your Fireflies dashboard. Open the completed meeting to review everything that was generated. You can search the transcript, add comments, copy important sections, or share the meeting with teammates. Depending on your subscription, export options may also be available, and that's how you connect Google Meet to Fireflies AI in 2026. Hopefully this walkthrough made the setup nice and simple. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.